G'day everyone. Alright, we've got another Scorpco folding knife here. This one is the JD2. Costs $45 and that includes postage. So she's a one-handed flipper. Ball bearings that are as smooth as you can get. Look at that. Under its own weight, it falls down. Beautiful. They come razor sharp. And look at that. That stone wash finish. That is beautiful. It's got stainless steel pop clip and liner lock. And ball bearings in there are just so smooth. I can't even feel it moving. Wow. She's got a 9.5 centimeter blade, which will make it 4 3/4 inches. And she's about 3 mil thick. And it weighs 131 grams. So that's absolutely beautiful knife. And for $45. So I'll put their link in the description. The guys at Extreme Survival are getting more and more stuff in all the time. And high quality stuff. That's is very affordable. So I'll put a link in the description. I'll go and do a torch test on this one and see how she goes. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next video.